Hello guys, welcome back to day 2 of our design masterclass. In this video we're going to create a simple flyer for a real estate firm. So first of all, we're going to import our background. You can find the resources in the description box. Okay, here is our background. So after bringing in your background, we are going to import this image. Okay, after importing it, you're going to increase the size a little bit, align it here, and then centralize it. Then you're going to lock it. Then we're going to type in is. Okay, the name of the estate is. I'm going to increase the size. The name of the font we are going to be using is Montserrat. You can download it. Okay, we are going to use Montserrat, and we are going to give it a yellow color. Then we are going to shadow, and you see the setting. Your opacity is 100, blur radius is 10. You're going to reduce the blur radius to 7. Then make sure you centralize it. After, you're going to increase the size a little bit, then centralize it, then you lock it. Then you are going to type introducing capitalize it. We're going to change the font. We're going to be using that same Montserrat, but it's going to be light, yes. Then you're going to increase the size, remove in your grid line to make sure it is aligned with the is. Okay, we're going to increase the line spacing a little bit. Line spacing of the intro you're using, something like this is okay. Then let's try centralizing it. Okay, it's out of alignment. Let's make sure, we have to make sure it is aligned. As you can see, can increase the size like this. Make sure it is centralized. Okay, make sure it is centralized. I think we're good to go. So after typing this, you're going to type again. I'm going to type real estate firm. This. Sorry, I've made a mistake. We have to bring this down a little bit. And for this, we are going to be using that same Montserrat, but we don't want to be using too much fonts. Let's use Montserrat regular. I'm going to make sure the color is black. Increase the size. Let's capitalize it. Sorry. So make sure it is aligned to the middle. Then you align it like this. Come, make it bold. Think something like this, okay? You lock it. Then you move this up and align and increase the size. Move it up again. Then centralize it. Then you lock it. Then you bring out a shape. Bring out a shape like this. Give it let's give it a color. Let's give it this color. Then you reduce it like this. Keep it here. and adjust it like this. Then you centralize it. Okay, lock it. I'm going to copy this introduction. Then we're going to type redefining redefining real estate real estate redefining real estate. uh, let's okay. I'm going to do something like this, and you on it, reduce the size, give it a white color, change the font. Let's change the font. Let's try regular. Let's increase the line spacing to 6 is okay, and then press centralized, and after pressing, then you can lock it. And this is how you can create a simple real estate flyer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.